In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert table Mailchimp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a clean, formatted table to your email using Mailchimp's design editor and a simple code block, either by writing your own HTML or by pasting code you already have. First, open Mailchimp in your browser and sign in. From the main dashboard, head to the campaign section. This is where all of your email campaigns live. Find a campaign that's in draft status so you can make changes and select it. Then choose Edit to open the campaign details and click Edit Design to jump into the email builder. This takes you to the layout where you can arrange content blocks and tweak the look of your message. Because Mailchimp emails rely on content blocks, the easiest way to add a table is to use a code block. In the Add Section panel, look for the option labeled Code. Click it, then drag and drop it into the exact spot in your email where you want the table to appear. You can place it between existing sections, above your header, or near your call to action, wherever the information fits best. Once the code block is in place, you have two choices. You can write the HTML for your table directly in the editor, or paste code you've prepared elsewhere. If you're creating it from scratch, use standard table tags, start with a table element, add table rows with TR, use TE for headers if you need them, and TD for each cell of data. For email compatibility, keep styles inline. That means adding basics like border, padding, font size, and alignment right on the table, TR, TH, and TD elements. Stick to simple, reliable properties and avoid complex CSS that some email clients won't support. If you already have a table, simply paste the HTML into the code block. Make sure the width of your table is appropriate for an email. Many templates use a content width around 600 pixels. To help with mobile readability, consider using percentage-based widths and readable font sizes. If the table presents data, add a header row with clear labels to improve clarity and accessibility. As you type or paste, you'll see your changes reflected in the preview area of the editor, so adjust spacing, borders, and colors until it matches your brand. That's it. By adding a code block and using HTML, you can insert a table into your Mailchimp email with full control over its look and structure.